If you want to turn on direct messages push notifications in X.com, formerly Twitter, this quick guide will show you exactly where to go. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. Click on More to expand the full menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where all of your account controls and notification options are located. Next, click Notifications. On the Notifications page, you'll see several different options for how X can alert you about activity on your account. Now click Preferences. This section lets you customize the types of notifications you receive and how you receive them. After that, choose Push Notifications. This is the area that controls alerts sent directly to your device. Once you're inside Push Notifications, look for Direct Messages. You'll see a toggle next to it, and all you need to do is switch it on. As soon as you turn that on, X will start sending push notifications when you receive new direct messages, so you won't miss important chats or updates. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've enabled direct messages push notifications on X.com. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.